Governor Newsom was back in the Bay Area trying to build support for his plan to reform California's approach to homelessness and mental health. KPX5's Wilson Walker with his latest push that would force some people into treatment.
The latest roundtable was held here on the grounds of the Napa State Hospital, and this site's history was referenced more than a few times as a case was made for a new approach.
55 years ago, the state of California made a well-intended public policy decision to reduce the population of state hospitals that house people with severe mental illness.
For decades now, California has wrestled with the aftermath of those decisions, and while there is debate on how to correct course, there is some broad agreement.
And what we're doing today is we're arresting those folks as they drift in conditions of unsheltered homelessness and untreated psychotic symptoms.
It's time we face the painful truth, but obvious truth. Our behavioral health system in California is broken.
The governor's plan would create a new system within county courts where treatment or housing could be mandated for some 8,000 to 12,000 of what you might call the state's toughest cases, people who have been placed on psychiatric holds, those who have been repeatedly arrested, or those referred by family members or mental health providers. The treatment, he says, would be part of the larger $14 billion homelessness push.
33 specific 1,000 units, 33,000 new units of housing and slots specifically for those struggling with severe mental illness and those that are struggling with substance abuse disorder.
The governor's plan is widely supported by mayors, but opposed by some disability rights groups and counties that face sanctions if they don't follow the program or meet performance standards.
There is no greater case for the urgency of this initiative than the case that's made every single hour of every single day in the state of California as we navigate the streets and sidewalks and we see at scale the failure of our current system.
Care Court's still a work in progress. The governor's team working on specifics and negotiating with legislators. More details are expected next month. In Napa, Wilson Walker, KPIX5.